भवेस्मिन् क्लिश्यमाणानाम् अविद्या कामकर्मभिः श्रवणस्मरणार्हाणि करिष्यन् इति केचन. In this beautiful prayer, Mother Kunti is describing a very important reason for Krishna's appearance in this world. In the previous 3 shlokas in her prayers, Mother Kunti enumerated 6 reasons for Krishna's descent. Kunti said, "O Krishna, you appear in this world to expand the influence of your devotees. Second, you appeared in this world to please your dear devotee Yadu Maharaj, and thus you appeared in Yadu dynasty only. Third, you also are born as the son of Devaki and Vasudev to please these devotees, Devaki and Vasudev. Fourth, you appeared to protect the Devatas. Fifth, you also appeared to annihilate demoniac and materialistic people. And sixth reason, because Brahma has come to the milk ocean and fervently requested you to make your appearance, you appeared." In this way, Queen Kunti enumerated 6 reasons why Krishna appears in this world. Now, in this shloka, Kunti Maharani describes another important reason for Krishna's descent into this mortal world. She says, "Bhavesmin klishyamananam avidya kama karma bhihi." In this material world, conditioned souls are absorbed or immersed in so many difficulties. Klishyamananam, they are facing so many miseries and difficulties. Avidya kama karma bhihi. Why are they engrossed in so many difficulties? Because of avidya, ignorance. Because they are ignorant, they have kama, lust, or so many material desires. Because they have so many material desires, they are engaged in karma, many fruitive activities. Avidya leads to kama, kama leads to karma. So avidya kama karma bhihi. And because of karma, they enter into klishya, so many miseries. So how can they be protected? The Supreme Lord Krishna descended into this world and gave the process of worshipping Him through Shravana Smaranarhani Karishyan iti kechara. Shravana means hearing about Krishna. When Krishna descends into this world, He performs so many leelas, beautiful pastimes, and by discussing those beautiful pastimes, by hearing those beautiful pastimes, we will come close to Him. We will develop love for Him. So Shravana means hearing about Krishna. So Krishna, by descending into this world and performing various pastimes, He created lot of subject matter for our discussion, for our hearing. So that's the reason for Krishna's descent. Shravana and Smarana. Smarana means remembering Krishna. Unless we hear about Krishna, unless we know Krishna, how can we remember Him? So Smarana is based on Shravana. And Arhani. Arhani means worshipping, puja. So to enable people or to inspire people in this world to hear about Him, to remember Him and to worship Him, Krishna descends into this world. Basically, to spread the process of Bhakti Yoga, to inspire people to take to the process of pure devotional service unto Krishna, Krishna descends into this world. This is what Kunti says in this amazing shloka. Hare Krishna.
For more such devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 8767 845 845.